have something to tell you. You know, tomorrow is my birthday, right?
Yeah.
And I am inviting you all to the party and our favorite Taga.
Should we invite her?
I think dili siya musugot, you know, na anay midterm ugma.
Ito, sure ko, di kita siya mo kuyog kay na exam ugma.
But let's try. Come on, girls. Yeah. Hey, Kapon, are you busy? Yes, I am. Why? Would you like to come? Would you like to come with us? It's your midterm tomorrow.
You guys supposed to study.
Ikaw na di. After.
Yeah, after.
Ito ka hutun mo.
Oh, dali lang kayo na kusutun mo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy
No.
ka na naman, Jude.
Adiyo, man. No beer.
No recourse.
Yeah.
Just food.
Yeah, of course, you must go, okay?
So, ganito.
Right. I will just message you the address and the time.
Dapat na agyo.
Guys, I made my decision. I'll go.
There's a stranger in bed. There's a pounding in the head. Glitter all over the room. Big flamingos in the pool.
Hello? Mom? Excuse me, Mom. Can we take the midterm examination, please? We got too early for the next subject, huh? And what made you think na patikon mo sa kaning midterm exam today? Dili lang mo late ha, but absent na mo kay kumana ato yung time.
Mom, sige na, ma'am. Balo na, ma'am. It's very important to us, ma'am.
Okay, I will give you 20 minutes para mo take sa exam, but remember everyone, kung meet ko ninyo after this examination at sa office.
Please pass your paper now.
Are you done, Miss Via? Please pass your paper now. We're running out of time. What happened to you, Miss Via? I did not expect this to happen, huh? Sorry, ha? Knowing that you're the top student here in our classroom or section, I expect ko ha na nakakaon niya sa akong office. Mag-talk about this one. Dismiss. Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. So I think kabalo naman mo, di ba, nung ipatawag ka mo diri ka sa office? So what's the reason? Saan sa today rason na to?
O, paano siya, ma'am? Virginia.
Okay. I see. Mo di, kuhaan ka lang. You smell like alcohol ganina. As I roam around earlier,
Oo, wala ka,
I
ma'am.
can smell it.
Wala, man.
Don't try to deny it. Wala ba mo sa mga consequences ani kung sulod mo sa classroom nga nakainom? Especially you, Bia, Miss Bia. Look at your scores. You failed the exam for the first time. What happened?
Nanay mo kasi siya, ma'am. They invited me sa birthday party kahapon. And I agreed because nasa ko mag-belong sa mga circle of friends. And I also wanted to have some time para sa concert.
That's true, ma'am. There is an involvement of liquor in our party, and we did not expect that that will be the result of our actions.
We are very sorry, ma'am, and to you, Miss Bea. Di na siya mauso.
Hello kami, ma'am. Di namin Yes, ma'am. We promise and we'll do better next time to our final exam.
Okay, dawaton ako ninyo pang buhat today, but I hope dili ninyo i-take as negative kung unsa man atong nasabutan karon, and kung ayaw i-think na nangasaba mo ninyo, I just want you to be better. And I would like to give you an advice, everyone. Hindi na ako siya specific sa isa ka person, na i-generalize ako. So, okay, learn to focus on your goals because real success requires discipline. Understood, everyone?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, dismiss.
Graduate na bunga. Nadadamay ka sa amin